Nice. Looks good. Nice curve port too. You're good, man. Could you tell me your name? What's in here real quick?
Austin and 2 HCA 12s.
Okay.
And fucking Rockford Fosgate T2500.
Okay. You know what the box is chained to?
No idea. Baseman built it.
Okay. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh. Nice. Looks good. Nice curve port too. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Austin's system. I was hoping to get more information about his system, but I didn't get to it because this is an older video from 2021. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 back then. Be sure to give them a like if you haven't already. I really like the box layout and having the box mounted to that surface. Didn't get the actual kerf port tuning, but I really like the way that kerf look looks for this box. A dual 12-inch subwoofer box. Don't know the exact cubic size, but looking at the size of it, it's probably around 4.5 cubes net volume. Really low in response. I could tell when I got the demo, it was playing down into the high 20 hertz range really well on the 2-song bass demo he's going to be giving us. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. I really enjoyed recording this system. I don't get a lot of demos of this nature where I have a lot of copyright issues, so I had to cut out some of the video, make the video a little bit shorter than my normal layout. And the amplifier staging rack style he has, got optimal space. I'm pretty sure he's able to put his seats up as well for the demo, but he had it down so he could showcase his system. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy. Thank you for showing me. What was your name?
Austin.
Austin. All right, Austin. Have a good day.